The moon, our closest celestial neighbour, is Earth's sole natural satellite and nearest large celestial body, which is the brightest in Earth's night sky. It has captivated us for millennia. The moon is slowly moving away from Earth, about an inch farther away each year. But how much do we really know about this celestial body? Since the dawn of humanity, we have gazed upon the moon. We've told stories about it. We've used it to mark time and navigate. It has been a source of wonder, mystery, and inspiration. But the moon is more than just a pretty sight. It plays a crucial role in the delicate balance of our planet. It influences our tides, our nights, and perhaps even our evolution. In this exploration, we'll delve into the mysteries of the moon. We'll uncover its secrets and discover its importance, both past and future. How did the moon come to be? The most widely accepted theory is the giant impact hypothesis. It suggests a cataclysmic event early in Earth's history. Billions of years ago, a Mars-sized object collided with our young planet. This collision ejected vast amounts of debris into space. Over time, this debris coalesced, drawn together by gravity. And so, the moon was born. This theory explains much about the moon's composition. It is similar to Earth's mantle, the layer beneath the crust. It also explains the moon's orbit and its relatively small size compared to Earth. The giant impact hypothesis, while compelling, is still a theory. Scientists continue to study the moon. They search for more evidence to confirm its dramatic birth. The moon makes a complete orbit around Earth in 27 Earth days. It doesn't emit its own light. We see it because it reflects sunlight. As the moon orbits Earth, the illuminated portion visible to us changes. This cycle of changing illumination is what we call lunar phases. The new moon occurs when the moon is between the sun and Earth. The side facing us is in shadow, making the moon almost invisible. As the moon continues its orbit, a sliver of reflected sunlight appears. This marks the waxing crescent phase. The illuminated portion grows larger each night until we see a half-lit disk, the first quarter. The illuminated portion continues to expand through the waxing gibbous phase. Finally, we reach the full moon, where the entire disk is bathed in sunlight. Then the cycle reverses. Occasionally, some lunar deities have been depicted driving a chariot across the sky, such as the Hindu god Chandra or Soma, the Greek Artemis, which is associated with Selene or Luna. While the moon has no significant atmosphere, traffic and impacts on the moon causes clouds of dust that can spread far and possibly contaminate the original state of the moon. The moon's gravitational pull is a powerful force. It's this force that causes the rise and fall of our oceans, a phenomenon we call tides. The moon pulls water towards it on the side of Earth closest to it. This creates a bulge, high tide. A corresponding bulge occurs on the opposite side of Earth. This is due to inertia, as the Earth is also pulled towards the moon. Between these bulges lie areas of lower water levels, low tides. The sun also plays a role in tides, but its influence is weaker due to its greater distance. When the sun, Earth and moon align during a new moon or full moon, the combined gravitational pull creates especially high tides known as spring tides. The moon's influence extends beyond tides. It also stabilizes Earth's axial tilt. This tilt is what gives us our seasons. Without the moon, our planet's tilt could vary dramatically. This would lead to extreme and unpredictable climate changes. Throughout history, the moon has been a powerful symbol in cultures worldwide. It has inspired countless myths, legends, and folktales. These stories often reflect our fascination with the moon's celestial dance and its influence on our lives. In some cultures, the moon is associated with femininity and fertility. The cyclical waxing and waning of the moon mirror the rhythms of the female reproductive cycle. This association is evident in goddesses like the Greek Artemis and the Roman Luna, both lunar deities. Other cultures view the moon as a trickster or a source of mischief. The Norse god Loki is often associated with the moon, known for his cunning and unpredictable nature. In some Native American traditions, the moon is responsible for illusions and transformations. Despite their differences, these stories highlight the enduring power of the moon to inspire our imaginations and shape our understanding of the cosmos. They remind us that the moon is not just a celestial body, but a powerful symbol embedded in the fabric of human culture. The moon has always beckoned us to reach out and touch its surface. The dream of space travel became a reality in the 20th century. The dream of space travel became a reality in the 20th century. It culminated in one of humanity's greatest achievements, landing on the moon. In 1969, the Apollo 11 mission made history. Neil Armstrong took one small step onto the lunar surface, marking a giant leap for humankind. Neil, the commander of the mission Apollo 11, set foot on the moon on July 21, 1969. An estimated 500 million people worldwide watched the transmission by the Apollo TV camera, the largest television audience for a live broadcast at that time. While at the same time another mission, the robotic sample return mission Lunar 15 by the Soviet Union, had been in orbit around the moon, becoming the first ever case of two extraterrestrial missions being conducted at the same time. The Apollo missions brought back valuable data and lunar samples. These continue to shape our understanding of the moon's geology and history. Since the Apollo era, robotic missions have continued to explore the moon. Orbiters like Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, LRO, have mapped the surface in unprecedented detail. Rovers like the Chinese U-2 have explored the lunar landscape. These missions have revealed new insights into the moon's composition, history, and potential. They have also paved the way for future human exploration. The moon is once again a prime target for exploration. Space agencies and private companies are developing ambitious plans. These include establishing permanent lunar outposts and even using the moon as a stepping stone for further space exploration. The Artemis program, led by NASA, aims to return humans to the moon by the mid-2020s. This time, the goal is to establish a sustainable presence. They plan to build a lunar base camp, a platform for scientific research and further exploration. The moon offers a unique environment for scientific discovery. Its pristine surface holds clues to the early solar system. Its low gravity and lack of atmosphere make it ideal for astronomical observation. Beyond scientific discovery, the moon holds potential for resource utilization. It contains valuable resources like helium-3, a potential fuel for future fusion power. Mining these resources could provide a boost to Earth's economy and energy needs. The moon, once seen as a barren wasteland, is now being recognized for its resource potential. Its surface holds various valuable elements that could be crucial for future space exploration and even benefit Earth. One promising resource is helium-3. This isotope is rare on Earth, but abundant on the moon. It's a potential fuel source for nuclear fusion, a clean and powerful energy source. Harnessing helium-3 could revolutionize energy production and reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. The moon also possesses rare Earth elements. These are essential components of modern electronics and green technologies. Mining these resources on the moon could alleviate supply chain issues and reduce the environmental impact of mining on Earth. While lunar resource extraction poses logistical challenges, the potential benefits are driving innovation. Developing technologies to extract and utilize lunar resources is crucial for establishing a sustainable presence on the moon and beyond. The moon, a celestial muse, has inspired artists and writers for centuries. Its ethereal glow and cyclical nature have sparked countless creative expressions, from ancient poetry to modern science fiction. In literature, the moon often symbolizes mystery, romance, and the passage of time. Shakespeare famously wrote, "It is the very error of the moon, she comes more nearer Earth than she was wont, and makes men mad in Othello, linking the moon to human emotion and behavior." Visual artists have also been captivated by the moon's beauty. From romantic landscapes bathed in moonlight to abstract interpretations of its celestial dance, the moon continues to be a source of inspiration for painters, photographers, and sculptors. Whether it's the soft glow of a full moon illuminating a lover's tryst or the eerie light casting shadows in a dark forest, the moon continues to captivate our imagination. It serves as a reminder of the vastness of the universe and the power of nature to inspire. A silent sentinel in the night sky, a constant companion throughout human history. It has inspired our dreams, shaped our myths, and driven our scientific endeavors. Despite all we have learned, the moon continues to hold an aura of mystery and wonder. As we venture further into the cosmos, the moon will continue to play a vital role. It serves as a stepping stone for exploration, a potential source of resources, and a constant reminder of our place in the universe. So the next time you gaze upon the moon, remember its story. It is a story of cosmic collisions, gravitational dances, and human ambition. It is a story that continues to unfold with every passing night. It is a story that reminds us to look up, to explore, and to never stop questioning the mysteries of the universe.